What's up, guys? Welcome back to Old Glory Garage. Quick one today. Life's been crazy. Haven't been able to do a whole lot on this thing. And still trying to edit some of the longer videos that I have built up. So, some Amazon packages. I chose not to do... There's an upgrade you can do for these things. You can get wiper arms from an early 90s Jeep Cherokee, and it'll fit right on here. I chose just to get some replacement blades of the current style. I don't know how much the other ones really help or not, but we're just gonna try these. This is a replacement first. Maybe we'll upgrade it later. If I can, there we go. It's Trico Classic that makes these things. And let me open the package and I'll give you the part number. I know, boring video, wiper blades. It's what we can fit in with the kids and the day job. Mainly that one, pays the bills. So, Trico Classics. We got part number 33150 for these, which is 15 inches. These should be factory. So let's see if these fit. Honestly, I'm putting these on here. I don't even know if the wiper system works on this truck. So that's great. Much better. I guess you can also get these old style ones. You can get refills for them. So I'm going to keep the old blades around. Keep them for future projects. They'll probably just go in the junk bin with everything else. Who knows? But let's keep them around for now. Come on, fit on there. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe you don't like me. I don't really know. Come on, get in your home. What the heck? Kinda, sorta. Should just click in. I don't wanna pull it too hard. Maybe it's off just a hair. Okay, I'll try the other one on the side. So, I mean, with these, in today's day and age, you could probably just run these, run some Rain-X, and be pretty okay. Hey, that one fit. Okay. That looks better and should actually work. We'll do the moment of truth and try it after. Oh man. So with this style though, you pull the clip down and just push them off. There it is. Alright, so hopefully that other one that wouldn't fit on the other side fits over here. Why are you not fitting? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Good old manufacturer defect. Come on, Trico. Well. Yep, there it is. So, save these. Oh yeah, let's check the box. What size refills does it list them? Precision cut. Nope. Oh, there's a QR code. Scan for more details. Maybe they say they were all refills. If you want to be, that's probably the same price. I mean, these were like 25 bucks a piece, though. Let's try it. See if it works. Hey. Oh. Well, there's a quick one. Stay tuned. I'm trying to make more videos, guys. Give me some time. Appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.